Hi, second graders. We are going to review our problem-solving process that's called UPS check. I'm going to bring this little chart over to you to remind you kind of what we've been going over. We are going to make sure that we understand and plan and solve and check our problem as we're trying to solve our math problems. So let's go ahead and we're just going to focus on this very first one, understand first. We're going to read the problem, figure out what's being asked, and we're going to restate the question. Okay, so let's go ahead and read our problem. Marcos bought 5 candy bars and his friend Duncan bought 8 candy bars. How many candy bars did the boys buy in all? Okay, so I'm going to write my U and I'm going to restate the question. The question was, how many candy bars did the boys buy in all? So maybe I can say, how many candy bars did the boys buy? Okay. How many candy bars did the boys buy? Just restating what that said. I could even copy it if I wanted to, but this makes sense in my brain a little bit better. I'm ready for the next step. During plan, we're going to identify necessary key data, words, and labels, record information, and choose the appropriate strategy or tool. So when I go over to plan, I know I'm going to need 5, and I know I'm going to need the number 8. And in all was a key phrase. Then I'm going to state what I'm going to do. I'm going to add using a picture. We reviewed a lot of different ways that we can add. Using a picture is just one way. And remember, the whole point of doing UPS check is to explain your thinking and to explain how you're solving the problem. Really show us your thinking on paper. I think we're ready for the next step, which is to solve. We're going to write an equation with labels if needed, use your plan and data to solve, and write your solution with labels. So if I said I'm going to add using a picture, then that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to have my 5 candy bars. Let's put those in one color. 3, 4, 5. And let's get another one for Duncan. Is going to buy 8. My number's right here, so I'm going to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? And now I'm able to add it all together. 5 plus 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. That's 13, and make sure to label it. Candy bars. Circle so we know what you're talking about, okay? Alright, I'm going to move this up here just for a second so that we're able to go ahead and do our check. Our last step is to check. Check your math. Did you answer the question, and is your answer reasonable? Well, when I did 5 plus 8, I got 13. I'm going to try it one more time in a different way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well, I know that 5 and 5 make 10, and 3 more makes 13. So check. I got 13. Okay? Is my answer reasonable? Does it make sense that 5 and 8 together could make 13? Yeah, that makes sense. So once I'm done checking, I'm going to go back to my circled answer and I'm going to put a check mark. And that's how you go through UPS check. Thanks for listening.